What's up guys, KTM 300's all finished up. Now I know this is pretty much the same thing we did a few weeks ago, but I'm super pumped that we're doing another one of these so fast, and this is probably the best thing about the bike right here. Awesome. Let's do a walk around. It's test ride time. Let's go check it out. Gotta love that EFI.
That'd be so damn loud.
I know, right?
Walk back.
I think it's the funnest modern trike you can build right now, guys. It's not 500 fast. The stuff above a 250R, but it's soft like a 250R. It's very soft. It's got enduro suspension. Head out. Okay. Gotta love that diesel. This weekend, we're gonna actually take this thing out to some, what is it, trails and sand?
Trails and sand.
Trails and sand. We're gonna go try it out. So our customer's letting us take this out and hammer down on it. He trusts me to ride it. If I screw anything up, I'm gonna replace it. But yeah, super excited. So I'm gonna do some heat cycles around here, get this thing broken before we even take it. And yeah, we're gonna put it through its paces. We got a new camera coming that does HD. Trying to step our game up, and after that, the next step's going to be getting a drone. But man, we're trying to get some good content for you guys. So we're going to have this out, the 500, a couple big wheels, and the Talon, and what, the Razor.
I have Razor
and
too.
You got a couple buddies coming too.
Yeah, and I got a couple Can-Ams, a couple quads coming with us. So
That's going to be on Sunday. So we're going to have a bunch of content with this bike right here and the other bikes. So stay tuned for that. But I think it's time to get back to work. We got to get some other bikes built so we can actually ride them this weekend.
yeah.
Cool. dude. Just big old tires, man. I like to Man, that is fun. Now, in case you're wondering, I'm gonna throw a new set of tires on this for him after we're done riding it this weekend. So that's the kind of guy I am. But I appreciate him letting me ride this thing. Alex, you gonna take it for a ride?
Yeah, let me get some boots.
Yeah, so like I was saying, got the old 500 right here. Maybe we can drag race these things up a sand hill. See what happens. Yeah, we're trying to get this YZ done. So that's the next video that's coming, either later today or tomorrow. This thing's just about ready to get finished up. Got the plastic pulled out, so stay tuned for that in the next video, guys.
Hi.
Just want to say happy anniversary.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
And it's time to give t-shirts away.
Oh, I was not ready for
I know you're not ready. Nope, I was busy spinning Rob's tires.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, we're buying him a new set of tires after we ride. Hi, Alex.
Well,
You know what time it is?
t-shirt time.
T-shirt time.
Alex, do you remember the website?
Asking the wrong guy.
Asking the wrong guy.
I build bikes.
That's the website. Okay, so I think the Sierra 500 video got a lot of comments.
Yeah.
Sierra 500 quad video. Or I was asking,
Are we keeping it a quad? Do we decide?
I don't know. I mean, maybe. Let's see what the comment says that wins the t-shirt, right? So this one. That one got a bunch of engagement. I like when you guys comment, man. I really do. I like when you comment. I like when you share these things. It's letting us give stuff away. I'm gonna make another video. I'm actually gonna make another video and show you guys how much we make on YouTube just from the ads. So we're getting to the point now where we can start giving shirts away a couple times a week. Soon it's gonna be parts, and then it's gonna be kits, and then it's gonna be bikes. So you guys keep commenting, sharing, liking. Biggest thing's comments, likes, and shares. It just gets these videos out there, gets the content, and again, I'm gonna start showing you guys how much can actually be made on YouTube.
Comments.
Okay. 117. All right, let's see who start raffle, pick winners.
Justin
McHugh, whatever they end up doing. Motor, it's gonna be sick. A big wheel project would be freaking awesome too. Just saying. All right, Justin. So you want a t-shirt? Let's do another one. Yeah, Sierra 500 big wheel would be absolutely insane. I had too much fun riding mine as a dirt bike. I ended up just keep riding it as a dirt bike. You're gonna have that, and then I ended up building three-wheeler. So I got both these bikes just chilling around. So I think I'm gonna leave them both alone, and I'll just do another 500 as a big wheel, and that'll be like a whole future video. So, all right, so he's trying to pull a website up apparently. Okay, that's the website I like because you can actually watch the countdown, I guess, where they select it.
All right, so what video are we doing?
Video. Let's do the electric one.
This one.
Yeah, let's do the electric one. Just picking these at random. We'll be doing different ones next time. Guys, that Alta is so much fun. If you got one for sale, call me, please. I know I'm not spending 12 grand on it, but it seems like the price keeps going up on them. Uh, 67, not as much, but it's okay.
Start.
All right, start. Lando. Definitely the future. All right, guys, go to bbcoffroad.com, get our contact info. You guys won some shirts, and we're gonna be giving some more stuff away in a couple days, so stay tuned to the channel. Appreciate all the shares, the likes, and definitely the comments. That's how you guys are gonna keep winning stuff. So anyway, guys, I'm out of here. I'll probably see you tomorrow for another video, possibly something later, but stay tuned.